Hello, Mustachio here in garage with Suzuki Racer 339. Now we got the pick 'em up truck Dodge in garage, and I went to pick up engine for minivan 3.3 liter for my 2007 Dodge Caravan. I currently unaware if gasoline introduced this minivan, but I take you outside now. Look at that beauty right there. 2007 has 230,000 kilometers. Very nice, solid automobile. Holy shit, I restart and put light on. Alright, restart, put light on, not make big difference. But, it's like that green, weird blue color. It's not gray like it looked on video. It's got good tires. They are, Hankook. This thing was dirty, but gasoline cleaned very nice. Oh yeah, fuck. Shit balls. Anyways, stow and go seating. Very nice. But the only problem with the van is engine blown. So that's why I buy engine and we fix this up and we sell back. And maybe drive for a little bit, we'll see. Alright. Now I show you a real reason why Suzuki Racer 339 is here to help me out today. Him and Mustachio are gonna start plucking away on our new little 1 week project. As you all know, that guy there in down south London place called Inwood. Yeah, his name is the Pug Life there. He make race with tractors, and he make Mustachio very interested. So what Mustachio did is he stole tractor from neighbor. Don't tell. Don't tell. I painted. He'll never know. And then I got this engine right here that I make trade for. Trade for motorbike that I don't give shit about. It's cool. It run and everything. It has more horsepower with broken spark plug. Anyways, Mustachio not care. So me and Suzuki, we rip this thing apart. And then we try to build. And if we build in time, I send Pug message and be like, hey, bitch, I'm gonna come kick your ass. And if I kick your ass, then you owe me millions of dollars. Ha 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 ha. Not true. Anyways, that's what we're doing. We rip apart. We do a good job. We lower, make really fast. And then we challenge Pug. Alright, let's get started. Alright, Mustachio, gonna cut off front end, off the thingamajigger, and then we can take off. Look, it's barely hanging on there. Fucking kicking its ass. Anyway, Mustachio do safety squint. Like that, you don't get shit in the eyes, but you still see what's going on. Whoa, holy shit. That worked very well. Mustachio was scared for 2 seconds and he realized he was Mustachio, so he wasn't really scared. He was just startled.
What's holding it there?
Belt is holding and 4 more bolts at bottom, 2 on each side. Now let me rest my hot torches on this gas tank here while I give you a lecture about safety. Mustachio comedian. Now you laugh or you get punched in the face. Alright, now we manhandle belt on here there. Take it off a little bit, yeah, nice and gentle. If I was only as gentle as this on women, maybe I'd have life. Alright, have tractor deck cut off. Now we're going to something else productive. First of all, we're gonna move this out of the way so the little kids don't hurt themselves. Alright, Mustachio in shop. He not always serious business with fixing stuff. Also make time for working out, you know what I'm saying? You gotta use those tractor parts to work out all the time. It's beautiful. Alright, with simple hand, cordless tools. Mustachio get in there really tightly. And we annihilate some bolts here. Oh, that's not that size. That's probably this size. And then we do stuff with boom, pow. All done, look at that. Boom, pow. Alright, we get rid of that decrepit piece of crap. And we move on to bigger, better things. These leaves right here. You'll roll that up and smoke it. You'll be fucked up, I swear. It's like I know or something. Not from personal experience, but so one time this girl, she's a big girl. Alright, let's not talk about that. Alright, we're back. And we've made progress. We bolt down the engine. We've got things connected my bobblehead. We cleaned the gas tank real quick by swishing other gas in there, getting rid of shit, but that's okay. All our wiring is set up except we have to put that ground there, and then we'll have test fire. So we'll put ground and then test fire, and then we'll know exactly what we're up against.
You might need to put
Son of a fuck sack.
Put the spark plug caps on too before you try to start.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
All right, now we'll have test fire. Jeremy gonna touch things because we tried on battery and nothing hooked up properly. So, all right, fire at the top.